iGMS is a powerful property management software that can help streamline operations for short-term rental hosts. But before diving in, there are a few things you need to know, especially when comparing it to other solutions like Guesty or Logify. Stick around as we break down the 7 essential factors to consider before committing to iGMS. First off, iGMS offers a fully automated solution for managing multiple short-term rental properties. It handles guest communications, booking management, and even cleans up your scheduling. But what sets it apart from competitors is its user-friendly interface, which offers powerful automation with very little learning curve. While platforms like Guesty may offer more extensive integrations, they can also feel overly complicated for smaller hosts. iGMS, on the other hand, provides an accessible solution that's just as robust, but without the overwhelming complexity. Next, iGMS shines in its pricing model. When you compare it to other property management software options, iGMS offers more flexibility, especially for hosts managing fewer properties. Some competitors like Logify charge a hefty monthly fee, which may not be cost-effective if you have only a few units. With iGMS, you can start with a basic package and scale up as your business grows, making it more affordable and accessible for hosts just getting started. Now let's talk about integration. iGMS supports multiple channels like Airbnb, Booking.com, and VRBO, which is great for multi-platform hosts. But unlike some competitors, it has native integration with less common channels, which can be a game changer for those expanding into niche markets. It saves you the headache of third-party integrations, which often come with hidden fees or technical hiccups. The fourth thing you need to know is about automation features. With iGMS, you can set up automated messages for guests, schedule cleaning tasks, and even automate reviews. Compared to something like Guesty, which has similar features, iGMS offers them at a much more competitive price. The built-in automated guest messaging, for instance, can save you a lot of time, reducing manual responses while maintaining a personal touch. Many competitors simply don't offer the level of customization that iGMS does, allowing you to craft the exact guest experience you want. When it comes to customer support, iGMS has a reputation for being very responsive and helpful. While platforms like Logify have extensive knowledge bases, the support team behind iGMS is known for offering quicker, more personalized service. This is especially important when you're managing multiple properties and don't have time to wait for a resolution to urgent issues. Another thing to consider is its mobile app. If you're always on the move, iGMS gives you the flexibility to manage your properties from anywhere. It may not have all the advanced features of a desktop, but it covers the essentials like guest messaging, booking updates, and task management. While platforms like Guesty offer mobile apps, they can feel cumbersome or incomplete, making iGMS a more reliable choice for on-the-go property managers. Finally, if you're looking for a solution that grows with you, iGMS offers scalability. Whether you're managing a couple of units or dozens, the platform adapts to your needs. The beauty of iGMS is that you don't need to upgrade to an enterprise-level solution like Guesty unless you absolutely need it. With its range of features, iGMS is versatile enough to meet the demands of most short-term rental hosts at various stages of their business. If you want to try iGMS, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial for the software and exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on an opportunity to streamline your property management and save time and money while growing your rental business.